certificate signed. Take Ashley to her pediatrician.
I don't know if she meant you get something to eat.
Because we have a diva on our hands who slept great in the hospital. But as soon as she got home, she turned into the baby from hell.
Believe it.
No, I was talking about the heat that has the blast like that.
Yeah, man. So all my niggas ain't never been able to have a newborn in their life. It's crazy, man. Y'all better get as much sleep as y'all can before y'all get somebody pregnant, man. Like right now, like just go to sleep right now. If you ain't got no kids, man, just go to sleep.
That's if you plan on being a good dad.
If you plan on being a good dad, you got it. If not, you know what I mean, you can sleep all day, you know what I mean. Plenty of time to sleep. But if you like me, you gonna get that ass up. I almost got cussed out last night because I ain't hear my baby crying first night in the house. It's not cool.
No, it's not.
And she's gonna give me the business.
Dads, how do y'all sleep through that? I cannot sleep when I have this cat-like sound in my ear. Y'all just can't. Granted, they don't have the loudest cry in the world. But
and I was looking for it too. Like I'm waiting on the cry. It just never came.
It came. He just never.
No,
heard
yeah, that it.
It never came.
Yeah, I mean, it came. Apparently, he was up when I got up with the baby. We are in Mickey D's, ready to fuel up. Y'all ain't know Mickey D's sold gas. Could have bought it.
What are you doing? Move. I'm fucking hungry. Just go eat in trucks.
Y'all see the transformation from yesterday to today?
Yeah.
Ain't that woman beautiful?
I had a crazy ass dream yesterday.
What?
Last night. And now I remembered it when we was watching TV. Something like made it come to me. Now I don't remember what it was.
I think it got dark in here real fast.
Move the camera.
You moved the camera. Oh, look at that, how it just lightened up.
You want the meal?
Yeah, give me the fish fillet, double fish fillet.
Let me get the double fish fillet meal, extra tartar with a high C orange. Number 2, no pickle, no onion with a Sprite light ice.
Extra tartar.
I said that.
My boo. Y'all, she got me.
That'll be all. Good job, she did that.
Did you?
She did that. She ain't have to ask me, huh? What? Beat that?
She would tell somebody at the window about themselves so fast. It's ridiculous.
I hate horrible customer service. All you have to do is sit at a computer and punch that shit in. It's that simple. The hell? Take that out.
What you mean?
It's flip. What?
It's open. It's open.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's zoomed into. You want me to pay for it?
You ain't never got asked for that. You gonna go buy some money. You don't go buy the money, boo.
I can't reach my purse.
Oh, I got you. Extension.
What the hell? And then you pay for parking.
That's fine.
I had to say what's up. Fuck it.
I knew I loved her when she took me to Mickey D for the first time.
You ratchet.
Man, she bought my chick, man. She had my order right. You know what I mean? She knew what I wanted, y'all. She sent my burger back 2 times because it wasn't right.
How ratchet you sound. Very ratchet. What the hell was my dream about? It's gonna irk me until I remember.
I'm joking.
It's gonna irk me until I remember what the dream was about.
What dream?
The dream that I had yesterday.
She be dreaming about that dude named Enrique.
Why are you lying to these folks?
I be like, was it Enrique? Because she be talking in her dream. It don't be me she talking to, because I wouldn't take that shit.
Whatever.
It ain't me.
Don't listen to him. He's a liar. He's a pathological liar. Look at all these damn ashes.
I think it's a big old buff Spanish dude.
I don't even like buff dudes.
He look like, what's the dude's name? AC Slater.
AC Slater was not a buff dude.
Yeah, he was. He was the buffest little man in high school, man. He made Zach Morris look like Screech.
Yeah. Why my fries gotta be hot?
That ain't in yours.
Thank you.
Don't drop my drink.
My food's too hot. Why are you looking ugly like that?
Who?
Water.
You don't know what these vlogs about? He hate.
Okay, so we're gonna stop that stuff.
Hey. Yeah.
I need to stop. Basically. So I just got a dag-nabbit ticket.
Yeah.
Because my registration is suspended. Because I switched insurances and then reported to the other insurance company.
Show them the ticket. Right there if they want.
Right, that's what I said. No. But yeah, I got a ticket. I'm not happy about that. He did not have to give me a ticket. I already had a warning for what I got pulled over for, but he did still not have to give me a ticket. That sucks. I gotta go to court so they can drop it. Nobody want to do all that. That's so aggravating. And then the ticket, I gotta go to court the day before my birthday.
Then you gotta go back to work?
Yep. I won't be. Not okay.
I call him now, but look, I got cool so they know.
If you switch your insurance, let your other people know. For all the folks like me, Who didn't know that I had to do that. Right. And then, okay, so no. I gotta go to court. I have to go down to the damn DMV. Well, not the DMV. Yeah, the DMV. And that's gonna... Don't even. And I knew he was doing something. Because his little bald head behind was taking too long to get out the car. But I'm not a police hater. I take full responsibility and doing wrong. So we got 2 down, 2 to go. We went and got the birth certificate. Went and caught my deal at CVS for the diapers and everything. And, yeah. And now we're going to Wally World. I could say Hillmark.
As soon as you said Wally World, I was like, I was lip syncing it like you said it.
I'm just gonna have another drink.
And when I'm working on the weekend, I look back and listen and think how we had the club going up on Tuesday. Got your girl in the car, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the car, she Tuesday.
Baby throwing up on a Monday. Early in the morning on a Sunday.
I'm glad I'm seeing this Dollar General.
Get out my juice. Get out my juice, man. Hold up, man. Drink your own juice. Stop.
Ain't that in my...
I know. You destroyed your own cup. Coming over here with them. I got lipstick all on my straw, man. What I'm supposed to do with this, man? I can't go out the streets like this, man.
Boy, drink it. Weekend.
That's that setup.
Ain't got nothing to help.
Hey, yo, thirsty ass fault. He got nothing to do with me.
You trifling. Earlier you was Ratchet. Now you just trifling.
What you mean? I'm the most loving.
I called you Ratchet for
in the world.
something. I forgot what you had
Yeah,
done.
the first time you took me to McDonald.
Yeah, now you trifling. You don't even want to share.
I did, apparently. I turn my head, my whole meal be gone. Whole plate be empty. She be smashing. Don't tell me nothing.
Bands make her dance. Bands
See
make
my
her
lipstick
dance.
on there for one sip. Yeah, that's a couple sips worth of lipstick. We shaking it for the camera. I see.
Yeah, okay. Pay me through PayPal.
No, the hell you all.
1s, 5s, 10s, 50s, 20s.
And put them in my name.
No.
I give y'all my account in a minute.
I'm dancing for these bands.
I'm a manager.
Oh no. We don't do that. Don't you really?
Don't know.
Hey y'all. Y'all know I gotta say that every time I come to y'all on the camera, right? So yeah. We're just discussing what we're gonna eat for dinner. Well, no, that's tomorrow. I just got my mouth all fixed for it now. Damn. I was saying tomorrow for desserts, I'm gonna do some brownies and put like the vanilla ice cream on top of the brownie. Then drizzle the chocolate syrup on it, and it's gonna be so good. I'm ready for that now. Is that like apple pie a la mode, or what is it? Apple pie?
I ain't never had no a la mode. You know what the fuck an a la mode is? You can put shit in the dish and call it a la mode, and I'll be like, all right.
What is it called? It's called apple pie. What is it?
Yeah, I was just about to call him. I don't know, apple cobbler.
They call it.
What's up, cuz?
Y'all, it's gonna irk my nerves. But anyway, I done took my wig off, so yes, I just got my Queen Latifah going on right now. Don't judge me. This real life, uncut, unedited, real life.
Scene.
You know, y'all get.
Keep the breed in the air, you know, she murdered him. Lord of mercy.
You know, you get comfortable when you get home. So
Big up titty breed in the air.
the wigs come off, your street clothes come off, and you get comfortable. But I'm just chilling, watching some TJ and Tiffany. I swear they're my friends in my head, y'all. Y'all don't even know. They my friends in my head. Gabe and Siege and Babe are my friends in my head. Bree Baby. Shout out to all them. For dinner, we gonna do some steaks. I was watching who was I watching that did the steaks today?
You seen my other shoe?
No, I don't keep up with y'all.
You were laughing, you always got them on.
I don't work for no damn Payless or none of that. I do not keep up with no shoe inventory around here. You sound like them kids. Mama, you see my shoe?
Oh my goodness. That's all right. See if I ask you for another shoe.
And for every wife or fiance out there, tell the truth. Your husband is like your kid too, right? Just be honest.
Ain't gone.
Be honest. If you have a husband in some kind of way, he is like one of the kids. Just be honest. He don't got nothing to say. He knows the truth.
I ain't get, you know what? Like, you know what I mean? If you...
Oh, you like Bill Cosby. You just not going to say anything about these accusations.
Oh, really? You going to get blacklisted. My Bill Cosby, what?
I decided some steaks do sound good. Oh, babe! Take them steaks out the freezer and put them in the refrigerator. I don't know why I did that.
I don't know either. We having beef tartare tonight.
The fuck is that? I ain't never eat. What is beef tartare?
See, look. They can put on the plate served to you. You don't know what it is.
I'm not ordering no beef tartare.
It might be a la mode. You don't know what it is.
Anything with the and tartare, I don't want it.
Yeah, come on in, boy.
You almost got shot. His cousin is coming over to see the baby, so I'll come back to you guys in a second. Enjoy a little family time with the newborn. So yeah, y'all, we are finished cooking. But yeah, we are finished cooking and we're getting ready to watch a movie and chill out and eat. Here go the steak. I got A1 sauce on top of it. Some mashed potatoes and some shrimp with cocktail sauce. But yeah, so that is the end of this vlog, and we will see you guys